Hello, hello. I finally got done cleaning my house, so now I can play around with streaming. So here I am. No? Okay. I am trying to make an interactive code pin with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's what I'm doing. I'm putting a little game in the screen right here. It's not funny. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. All right. No, I'm gonna try to fix my thing. I'm putting a game in my controller I made. So I use AI for this. I mean, I took CS in community college, but you know, I use AI a lot. Anyway, here we go. Let's see. Okay, I got that there. And later I might play Pantheon or code some more. I don't know. I am streaming, yes. Okay, so I have Claude up in this other browser. Let's see if you guys can see that. Oh, let's see. I only have one monitor, so. So the other side is Claude. You can't see it. I only have capture for CodePen, and it's probably better that way, anyways, for privacy. But I paid for Claude Pro, and I'm using 3.7. I started out with Grok, but the original game here that I made is all done in ChatGPT like almost 2 years ago. So I'll show the original. And then I've forked it a couple of times. Right here. See, this is the original. It has no interactivity here on the D-pad. This does nothing, but the B and the A button create hearts with this function here called create heart. And when it's clicked, it has a floating animation of a heart. So that is what I am modifying. This is actually the Grok test I did. I asked it to, um, or I asked if it was possible to put a game inside my screen div, and it said yes, but I mean, it changed my whole like container size for some reason, like cut it off, so it doesn't even look like a Game Boy anymore. But it's kind of cute. I like the little hearts. They're really cute. Um, it's kind of boring. So I want to do something. I want to do something more. So I asked Claude if we could put a different game inside, and this is what I got. It's a virtual pet game. So you can pet this guy. You can play with him. throws a ball. And then I haven't done anything for this, but Claude decided that would be fun for dance. I don't like that, so I'll probably go back and change that function. So let's see. Start takes you back to the screen. You can feed the guy. I don't like the dinging, that's annoying, so I'll probably get rid of that. But I decided to use a JS library. It's called Phaser IO, I think. That's what Claude recommended because I asked if there was something that already handled the graphics and everything. So I'm trying to use that now. That's where I am. So I think it's going to be cute. I'm going to make my own sprite to put in here because this is the one that the placeholder. I don't really like that. But yeah, we'll see what this GS library can do. Also, this is in CodePen. I might have to take it to VS Code and um, get everything working in there. So I'll see what happens with Claude. So right now I forked it again from that version, Claude. That was my second try with 3.7. So yeah, this is where I'm at now. I've put in the script for the JS library, and for some reason CodePen's blocking it. It doesn't like the it doesn't like pulling from the website for some reason. So I might have to take it into VS Code and get off the training wheels with CodePen. But I really like CodePen because it's easy. These are the errors and stuff that I'm working through. Refuse to apply style from CodePen. So I usually just copy paste this and throw it in Claude and see what it says. But I really think it's just like a CodePen problem. It's not like a code. It's not a code problem. So pretty cool. Hey, how are you? Sorry, I'm like just talking about this, not reading chat. Okay, let's see. So currently it does nothing, but I want a game in this screen. And then I'm going to throw this up on a website for my resume, which I know I'll never get a job. So, it's just for fun. It's great. All good. Pretty amazing. It's good. It's Friday. I cleaned my house all week, so I haven't had any time to sit down and do anything. And then on Monday, I'm going to go start like a gig in town. So I have even less time to do anything fun that I like to do. I do want to give Pantheon another shot, but you know what? I think I might just play Hello Kitty Worlds. They have a new one out. Hello Kitty Islands. I'm just gonna give up. Dude, it's so hard. Like, they just need to give me a little EXP. Just a little bit. Island Adventures, yeah. No, I need to check out Steam. I know there's got to be like a game besides World of Warcraft. I can't express enough how much I cannot play World of Warcraft. Even though I want to, it's like crack, you know? Gotta stay away from that. Actually, I tried to like replace my World of Warcraft addiction with school. So I like 4 years ago, I was like, all right, I can't do this anymore. I'm going back to college. And then I tried to do coding, and I'm like, okay, at least if I'm addicted to this, I can get a job. And like it's, you know, I don't know if you know about the tech industry, but it's like incredibly difficult to get in unless you're like a genius. Let's see, what is that? But I like to do this stuff for fun anyway. It's all good. Okay, now I have to complete the phaser version of the virtual pet game. This code should work properly. Okay, I already did that though. All right, let's see. Take the complete JavaScript and just nuke it. Let's see if it works. Oh, look, I got a black screen. Cool. My start and select buttons are gone for whatever reason. Okay, that's coming from it's coming from the library. What is this error? This error occurs because there seems to be an issue with the Bezier curve method. Yeah. I'm really making Claude work at this. Yeah, CodePen is like neutering me. I might just put it in my old ID, whatever. Blade and Soul Neo is cool. Is it an MMO or like a role playing game? I don't know. I guess I could just Google it, right? It's an MMO. Okay, I'll Google it. Blade and Soul Neo. Let's see. 4 weeks ago it came out. Oops. Okay, I already see the characters. Okay. I'm watching the trailer. This looks very like uh what's that game? It's like a Korean game. Okay. Well, at least they made the characters like pretty, like the girls. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Oh, it's free to play. That means there's microtransactions. You've already got how many? How, you got a lot of time playing all these games, bro. You got 13 characters in Pantheon. You just started playing? I'm a full-time streamer. I know, I saw your stream. You have a lot of followers. You know, it's funny. I've actually had this stream for like 12 years. I've literally had this channel. I mean, 500's doing pretty good, bro. I would say that's cool. But yeah, that's I mean, compared to like, don't you can't compare yourself to like, like Asmongold or like whoever else is popular. I don't know. I would say that's a pretty good community. But yeah, I might check this out. Download. See, I'm supposed to be coding and now you're making me play video games. Bad influence. Create characters. Yeah, what characters do I have? Download. I should capture this screen too. Yeah, these characters are cool. God, my mom used to play this game. What was it called? Black Desert Online. Yeah. Yeah, it looks just like Black Desert Online. I don't know about the character creation. Yeah. Is it? It's struggling? I don't know. My mom like plays MMO. She's been playing that stuff for years. She's always like, "Play Black Desert Online with me." But I was in my WoW addiction, so I'm like, "No. Hello, what are you creating?" I am trying to make my code pen interactive. Well, more interactive. I'm trying to put like a virtual pet in this black screen, and I'm importing a JS library to do that, but CodePen is not liking that. So, but this guy over here is trying to play video games. So, WoW and Black, I stay away from. Oh, did you play Black Desert Online too? No, it's pretty good. The graphics are freaking amazing on that game. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to get this library to work. Because it's supposed to have like animations already done, so I don't have to like use vanilla JS or Claude. Doesn't I'm using Claude, so I use AI to help me code. Or I mean, it's basically coding for me. Because what the hell? Who are we kidding here? Wow, is your dude? I know. I can't. I can't. I want to play so bad. Like we need AA for WoW because like right now, I'm like that's all I want. Every other game that comes out, I'm like I could just play World of Warcraft. That's true. But retail kind of sucks. Like I'll be honest. L- I I remember you told me you played in Shadowlands, and Shadowlands was hella hard. Like a lot of people quit playing in Shadowlands. So and then the dragon one was okay. It was pretty fun. I don't like to use AI. It failed many times for my task, but it's actually good at I'm not doing any, I'm not working with databases. I'm not working with like legacy code. I'm just kind of like making stuff up on the fly. I don't have a job in development or anything. I just kind of do this for fun. So AI, it's pretty good. And I would say for me, I don't know, it just always works. Like I always get it to do what I want. It's really weird. I'm not bragging or anything, but whatever I wanted to do, I somehow always get it to work. Like I won't if Claude doesn't work, I'll go to Replit. If Replit doesn't work, I'll go to ChatGPT. If ChatGPT doesn't work, I'll go to Google. If Google doesn't work, I'll check out Meta. If Meta doesn't work, I'll check out Grok. And the thing, yeah, it's I'm not gonna pretend like I know how to do all this by myself. I can read the code, but if I had to do a technical interview, I'm gonna bomb that shit. I just will. But I can read the code. I know what's going on in the code, and if there's an issue, I know how to do error handling. You know, um, like I can pinpoint where the problem is in the function. Like if usually it's a function that's messing up or something, but I could usually pinpoint the problem. But yeah, I can't write all this by myself. I wish I could because then I would have a job doing what I want. But yeah. All right. Yeah, I might take this in a VS Code. Yeah, if something's not well documented, the AI is going to be crappy. But if you have, like, I'm making like a virtual pet game. I mean, Tamagotchi's been around for freaking 30 years. I'm sure that code is all over GitHub and whatever. So it's just pulling from there. If you're doing complicated stuff, yeah, AI is still going to suck. But hey, they say this is the worst it's going to be. So yeah, eventually it'll get there, especially if it's trained. Like if you have an expert come in and train the AI, then there you go. It's done. Where am I from? I mean, I'm in the USA. I'm in California. Hey, I'm half an hour away from Silicon Valley. So I'm a stay-at-home mom and I have a CS degree. Everybody around here has like computer, stuff. So. Where are you from? Okay. All right. I don't know if I did this or not. Let's see if I can get this thing to work. Yeah, CodePen is really not liking this. Where is the console? There it is. Yeah, it's not doing the script. I really, really want to see what this looks like. Hold on, let me see if I can. I'm just gonna throw all this in there and see what it says. What's up? Traffic gone now? No, the traffic's not gone. We're gonna go soon. I know. My daughter's begging me to take her to McDonald's. Oh, too many errors. Yeah, there's hell of errors. You're from Russia. How are you watching this from Russia? Are you the VPN, I guess?
What? Are you streaming?
I'm streaming.
Stop streaming.
No.
Yeah. Stop streaming.
Russia's in our media a lot lately. I don't know if I should talk about that. Twitch isn't blocked. Oh. Yeah, I don't want to speak too much on that because you know you just can't donate. Oh, I wonder why they changed that. What's the reason behind that? Hot theme dispute. Yeah. I'm on Twitch sometimes, but I don't really pay attention to the rules. So if I say something stupid and I get banned, I guess it really wouldn't matter. But yeah. Money transfer problems. Oh, okay. Oh, really? I guess, yeah, maybe the whole war thing, you know? Yes, give me the code, Claude. Give me the code. It's getting pretty complicated now trying to get CodePen to import like a library and stuff. I just don't think it's going to work on the browser. I mean, hey, it's helping you save money, you know? I want to say you shouldn't be donating to streamers, but I'm literally streaming. So I'm kind of shooting myself in the foot there. I've provided the complete version of the phaser. Should work in CodePen. Said that already. Oh, I haven't tried cursor yet, but I don't know how good that would be with the how good that would be with like making a game. Let's see. Yeah, we got a lot of errors here. It's just the JS. It's the interactivity. The like the HTML and stuff is fine. Like, cause I did this when like 2 years ago, trying to center these like elements here was not easy. I actually learned a lot. I was learning C++. plus plus. Oh, hey, look, we got something. Ooh. Oh. Oh, look at that. We need to, a little tweaking. Oh, I like that. It's a nice little menu. Ah. Okay, I just need to fix my sprite. Oh, and you can click the screen. I added a click event on the screen, so you don't have to use my buttons here. Yeah, that's pretty cute. Okay. Okay, so I had like feed. Okay, where's the other? Okay. And I had a start and select button. I don't know what the hell Claude did with that. Yeah, I just need to like tweak it a bit. And I mean, this took me like a day maybe to get this going. But yeah, it needs a lot of work. And I don't even know what I would use this for. Maybe just like for fun on my website. It really has no purpose. Okay, yeah. Okay. uh, Eat. Out of food. Sleep. Okay, I want the hamburger. There's supposed to be like a hamburger that drops down when I hit eat. And then I don't really. Okay. Not sure what I want to fix first because if I have it do everything at once, it'll just change the code. For loop here, like it changed the code a lot. Maybe I'll work on the sprite. Okay. Or maybe I could just go make a sprite and put it in there. JS, your first programming language is at Pascal, but we learned in school. Did we learn? No, I took C++, um, and then my web design class or my web development class, I only got to HTML and CSS. We didn't even get to JavaScript yet. So, but then I did this like nonprofit course here in San Francisco, and then they went into JS. But I've never used a framework or anything like that, like like React. I was gonna try learning React, but it's kind of like explaining someone explaining a hammer to someone who doesn't know what a hammer's for. In my mind, it's like, what would I use this for? Why do I need to do all this hard ass shit if I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet? So I'm kind of putting that off. But I still like to play around with it. Like, because vanilla JS seems to do a lot. And then if you need something else, you can import like a library, I guess. I don't really know what React is for. I guess maybe it's like pre built elements that you can use. C++ is a good first language to learn because it's hard. It's very difficult, but once you start to figure out, all the other languages are basically the same. It's just different syntax. But like I said, I can't code on the spot. Like I would just have a heart attack, to be honest. And I think I need more practice. Like everybody does leak code, and I'm like, I don't want to do leak code. I don't want to grind leak code, dude. I got kids and stuff. Like I have a life. So I'll never be the 100K, 300K mark developer. I wish I had the fire under my ass to do that. But yeah, it's for the live coding interview. But I heard a lot of people are cheating now because it's kind of like it's bullshit. Like, okay, I've improved the sprite. Okay. Let's see. All right, I will try this. I've never heard of code forces. Let's see. have to say Claude is doing pretty good. I tried using Grok and it just um except for now it just broke it. It just broke the code. All right. We'll leave it at this. I'll show you what Grok made, like the X AI. I'm gonna save this. So this is what Grok came up with for a game. It completely destroyed my button container and like the whole look of the Game Boy, but I guess it's a functioning game. It's very simple. Oh, since we're here, where is the this is the particles like on my stream that I put in, but they're actually interactive on the code pen. I mean, if you guys want to use it, the code's there. You just pop it in a browser scene on OBS or whatever you use. Keyboard controls? No. I'm doing the screen, like there's a click event on the screen and then you just press the buttons. But see, here's my start and select. I want this code in the other one. Let's see. What is that? It's Poppy Playtime. I'm sure once I get all the tweaks, fixed, I can go back in and um do some more do some more stuff. How old is my daughter? She is 6. She really wants McDonald's. Do you have McDonald's in Russia? Huh? Okay, we're gonna go in like half an hour when the traffic is gone. Okay. Actually, I hate this font too, but I'm trying to concentrate on the functionality of the game first before I like. Okay, where is this? Okay, I forgot what this keyword does. I'm gonna look that up. I swear I remember using that. Is a peacock out there? Okay. Am I using Node.js? No. But it was sold to a company, so now it's not McDonald's actually, but it has the same. Hmm. That seems suspicious though. It's like a front. It's not actually McDonald's. It's the Russian version. I know a lot of good developers come out of Russia. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna send a screenshot over. Too lazy to type what this is doing. I need to fix like the padding or something on that. Line spacing. Back end high load stuff developer. I mean, I don't know if are you a back end developer in California? Um, it depends, you know. I would say at least 100,000 for a back end developer. It's very, very competitive here though. You are up against the world. So, back end system developer. Okay. What are you using for that? Are you doing like servers and stuff like that? Yeah, I need to fix the text overlap. Poor readability. Yes, formatting problems. Okay. Let's find the function create stat screen. Need a search function. Yeah, I hear it. He's so loud. Handle buttons, feed pet, eat food. I do distributed databases, libraries, distributed services, and some other stuff. On my last job, we got 10 million RPS on a service. It's really interesting. Yeah, that sounds really cool. I mean, if I knew what you were talking about. um, if I was gonna go for a developer job, I'd really like to go for front end because the design aspect. Back end development is just all the mathy math, all the logic, all numbers, all just, you know, there's no pretty colors. There's nothing shiny. I really like front end development though, but I kind of wanted to do full stack, but like I don't know much about back end development, and I think I would need to learn Python And my school taught us C++, which kind of pissed me off because I'm like, I could probably keep going with C++, but no, I mean, there's certain everybody uses Python, like yeah, even machine learning, everything. I mean, I think you can do servers with Python. I don't really like Python either, to be honest. It's like it's just C++ with a wrapper on it, basically, or just C, you know. I guess no, well, not every language is C, but it's cool. I mean, if you know how to do like the pointers and the memory, and otherwise, very a lot of errors, a lot of errors there. Okay, Claude, where do you want me to put this? Stats. Pretty soon.
I want to go.
Because what the thing is there's traffic and I can't go right now. We have to wait. We have to wait for the traffic at 7 o'clock.
7.
Go tell me what the clock says right
It's 6 to 8. 6
now.
to 8.
Going. Oh,
6 to
okay.
8. 6 to 8.
So it's 6:28. We're gonna go at 7. Maybe 6:45.
Oh no,
Yeah.
I'm not going 6:45. That's 1 second.
She really want. I know. Her strategy is bug me until I give in. Hey, I Neds, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Or she makes fun of me for streaming, even though she watches. There's this Minecraft streamer she likes. Hello, what is it? I stream, and like the streamers for kids, they're just like, why, blah 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 blah. They're just really just crazy intense. Thank you for the follow. I can't. I mean, I guess I can handle it for the children. Can handle it for the children. But it's really intense. Like streaming has completely changed. I think I was telling someone earlier. I've literally had this channel or this yeah, this Twitch account for like 12 years. And I have like 50 followers or something. But it's changed a lot. It's just hard for me to stream. I'm like, "Oh, I'll stream every other day or whatever." But then like I clean my house all week and I don't have time, or my kids like won't let me do anything. Like right now. Hold on. Okay, I just want to. Internet is too censored nowadays. Well, that's because you're in Russia, dude. Like, isn't everything censored there? I'm not hating or anything. I would love to visit Russia, but I would be so scared. Like, you say the wrong thing, prison, camps. Or what did they like used to send people to like some island or something? Like the Soviet errors. Like you remember I said I wasn't gonna talk. I don't want to talk about I'm gonna like get banned or something. No, Russia has the most beautiful women though. Everybody wants like a Mel or a Russian bride, right? I'm 0.5% Eastern European, so you know, yeah. Okay, I need to replace this function, but I can't fucking find it because there's like, okay. This is a problem when you don't, when you just use the AI code, you're like, well, where the fuck is the function? I don't know where that is. Or actually, I'm like that. Even with code I've written, I'm like, where? I don't even remember. Like, I don't remember this. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's in the case. In the case statement? Where's the case? I don't even see that there. Claude is being lazy. It's like, just replace the function. It's like, just give me the, just, I just want to control A and control V. Just give me the code, Claude. I paid $20 for the. No, I'm just kidding. Sometimes I like to do that just to figure out what is actually going on. But even this code's getting a little complicated for me. Like, it's doing a lot of stuff now with this library. These indexes. I don't even know where this for. Oh, there's a for loop. Okay. Many magic numbers. Yeah, it's pulled the math library. I don't, just making things up on its own. I don't even see the case statement. It's like change the case statement. Oh, is it this? Oh, okay. All right. Here we go. Oh, what do you want me to do? You don't need to blah, blah, replace your existing. Okay. Oh, Burning Man? I think that's in Vegas, right? Or Reno? I think they go to Reno. Colorado Mountains. What? Is it? No, they go to the desert. Oh, you're saying you want to visit. Oh, I'm like, they don't go to the mountains for Burning Man? Yeah, I've never even been to. Well, no, I haven't been to Vegas. I would like to go. I live close to there. I'm like, I'm trying to dox myself or something. Yeah. Let's see. JavaScript. First replace create stat screen. If you ever use AI, you notice how it'll get lazy? It'll like, you'll tell it just to give you the code and it's like, it does like the dot 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 thing or to give you like pseudocode. It's really weird how that happens. Are you thirsty? Oh, thank you. I am too.
You have one right there. But no,
This one's empty.
you can just have this one.
Okay. Well, I've only been to, let's see, where I've been to New York. I've been to upstate New York, Canada. Um, I think I went to LA when I was a kid, and then Texas. So, yeah, there's a lot of places I like to see too, but I'm always in my house because I don't like to leave it. It's dangerous out there. What? It's scary outside. Also, like they keep wrecking planes. Like I wanted to go visit my mom. She's in Canada, and I'm like, they keep crashing. What is going on? Scared now. I'm like, I'm gonna drive. I'll just drive.
How do you drive there? It's across the ocean.
Or like a train. I wish there was a really nice train. There's one in California that goes from like northern California to Southern California, and it's very scenic. I wish there was one like across the country. I'm sure there used to be, but I don't know.
But mommy,
Yeah, in a minute. Yeah, I'm a homebody, basically. I'm in front of my computer way too much. Do I think girls can burp louder than guys? I don't know. Why do you make me think about that? I have no idea. I don't know. I've seen some girls. This is a weird subject. I think it's a good idea to take a car. Yeah, it is. It's like people used to do road trips and stuff. People used to take in like in the 70s, people would just hitchhike or whatever and just get in the car with anyone. Then like all these like, you know, these murders started happening. Serial killers, yeah. And there's certain places like if you do decide to go across country, you can't stop in certain towns or like yeah, you'll just disappear. I mean, to answer your question about the burping thing, I think dudes hands down, they just that's that. USA North is interesting to me. It looks very peaceful. Yeah, well, I've always stayed in like mild climates or like Texas. I like the summer. Like I like to tan and like, you know, the beaches here are cold as crap, so you can't really go to the beach in California, in this part of California, but we have pools and stuff. I like to be warm. I don't know. The snow's cool for like a little bit, but I couldn't see myself living there. I guess if you're in Russia, you know about that. I don't know. What temperature is it there? Oh, it's like spring here. It was like 70 degrees today. It's really nice. Actually, I'm waiting for summer so I can just like take the kids all over the place. There's so many parks here that are it's free, so you can go like see redwood trees and just like yeah, it's really beautiful. And I just got a new car, so I just want to go drive. Well, I got a new used car. Okay, I'm not like bougie or anything. Like, are you in Moscow, dude? You're like the enemy. What are you? Why are you on talking to Californians on Twitch? Are you a spy? You're a spy. 10 Celsius there? Okay. I think we have like Fahrenheit here. What is, what is 10 What is 10 Celsius? Fahrenheit. I don't treat you like that to me. I don't either. I am so sick of all that shit. I think everybody is Fahrenheit. Because it's not the people, right? It's the stupid like governments. What is So that would be 14 degrees here, Fahrenheit. So that's definitely below freezing. Way below freezing. I don't think it ever gets that cold here. I I mean, no. I don't think it's ever gotten that cold here since I've lived here. Maybe in like New York, um, Washington. Yeah, I think that's where it gets really cold. Is it 10 for 10 Fahrenheit? Oh, okay. See, now you know why I need AI for everything, because okay. I have to get this working before I leave or it's gonna kill me. Okay. Let's see. Serbia. Oh, Siberia. Well, yeah. Well, doesn't it like freeze your eyeballs and stuff? Like the eyelashes? No. Okay. Okay. I got Claude to stop being lazy and give me the damn code because I'm not gonna like do that right now. Normally I would, but I would like to talk to you guys too and not stare. Eyelashes freezing? Eyeballs, no. Okay. That would it reminds me of that movie Total Recall, and he's like on Mars and his eyes that pop out. That doesn't happen there. No, I would really like to go visit Russia sometime, or maybe even just Europe, like Ireland. I think they have like really cheap flights to Ireland because it's not like a huge tourist destination. But it's just it's a little it's getting a little spicy out in the world right now. I think I'll just stay here. Okay, see, don't be lazy, my friend. Give me.
One minute. That's more like 5 minutes.
Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna get this working and I'm gonna take her to McDonald's so she stops bugging me to death. Her strategy is like wear me down.
I can do my hand faster than you on the camera.
All right, let's try this. It's nice to meet you too. Have a good one. Bye. I'm really pushing the AI. It doesn't like to generate all this code. It's like kill me. I want to unlock these other characters too. It's like it has a game where you have to get so many coins to unlock the other ones, but I don't really want to do that. And I don't really want medicine. I don't need medicine. Okay, let's see. I think all that really. Pet Sprite. Okay. There we go. Now it's working. Well, back to this screen again. Let's see if... No. Yeah, I need my start select buttons back. I want the hamburger. Balls.
653.
Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here. I have a few tweaks to do, but I like how it has a menu now. It's nice and neat. And I imported the library, so I got that working. What else did I do? Yeah, I think that's about it. But I think with a little bit more tweaks, um, it'll be good. So, go ahead and save that. Thank you all.